Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Let's have a look at another great pre-owned vehicle in the virtual showroom. 2019 Hyundai Elantra Sun and Safety Package. So lots of upgraded features off the Preferred, which we'll show you very shortly. Great looking, local trade. So essentially the family had too many cars, so they sold this one back to us. So, but like I said, we'll take a car any way we can get it, especially a 2019 Elantra with these type of kilometers, these type of features. So yeah, I should point out some of the features. You got a push button with the proximity key, so you see the little black pad there. You've got turn signal indicators on the mirrors, nice alloy wheels, fog lights. This one has the genuine Hyundai bug deflector, so it helps keep the stone chips off the vehicle. So again, a little added touch. Sunroof. You even got the side visors. So again, another Hyundai accessory added to this vehicle. Oops, I don't have the keys on me. I left them in the car. So let me go back to the car. We're going to unlock. Show you the trunk real quick. So on top of that, there's more accessories. You got WeatherTech mats. You got the cargo liners. So again, WeatherTech mats through and through. So again, WeatherTech mats. This is a split folding trunk. You can see the levers on both sides. So you push those levers towards you, fold those seats down. You can fold one or both. Get some additional cargo space. It's nice. There's WeatherTech mats here. You got nice cloth seats. Some good cloth seats. Nice and clean. Carpets are nice and clean. You got some cup holders here. Power windows in the rear. So again, everything you expect to find in this Elantra is here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, locking rear windows, good safety feature for the kids. You have an adjustable driver's seat, up, down, back, forward, and then you can also adjust the back support as well. So again, all that standard in the vehicle, including, here's your push button start. Before I show you a little bit extra, remote starter on the vehicle. So you got a remote starter. You've got, you can adjust your interior illumination, you have lane departure warning, you have blind spot detection, you have traction control, so lots of standard features. On top of that, you have voice recognition, Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side, a leather-wrapped steering wheel. All your cruise controls here. You also have an information center, which you can toggle through, see some of the settings. So again, you can personalize the vehicle to your specifications. You have heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You have heated steering wheel. You also have a drive mode, so you can drive it in normal, sport, or smart. So again, some different ways to drive the vehicle. So again, all sorts of cool things. Some 12 volts, some plug-ins down here, air conditioning, rear defrost, everything's very easy to use. Your hazards are right here. If we move up, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, so plug your Apple phone in your Android phone and have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, all the good stuff. And of course, very nice size backup camera, which to me is standard on almost all vehicles now. But nice to know it's in here in case you're doing some online shopping like me, and that's why we like to go over the vehicle through and through. So again, 33,000 kilometers, so plenty of factory warranties, you all know. Warranty up to 100,000 kilometers with our Hyundai vehicles, or 5 years, whichever comes first. So again, call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Shop 24/7seawayhyundai.com. We just looked at a 2019 Hyundai Elantra with the Sun and Safety Package. And make sure you follow us on Facebook. We always have tons of good giveaways, so whether you're in the market for a car or not, it pays to follow us on Facebook. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.